let's speak about the Amazon attribution. I know that is a complicated topic just to understand why do you need that, how to work with that, how to set up that correctly, and now I would like to tell you like in the macro view what is that and how to work with that. The main understanding of the Amazon attribution is how do you work with the external traffic and the ability for you to track all these activities. Right now this approach will be adding into the Amazon, and finally you will have a chance to measure all your impacts from the different blogs activities, for example, on your website, from different social media campaigns that you will launch from the Google or anything else. So let's start from the main understanding. Before on Amazon, we spent a lot of time, most of your time, just setting up the campaigns inside of it. We set up a huge base for the sponsored products. We have a structure with the exact phrase and the broad keywords, and these things are not working right now. They're not working today. They are not helping you to grow. Now, Amazon is more about you have all ad placements that you should work on. Please do not overspend on them. After that, Amazon will show you that you have the analytics that you should check, the ability for you to understand is it profitable or not, should you improve to that or not, any steps that will help you to grow your business. If you will implement this ability and this understanding, you will see that your campaigns will start performing much better. So now if we will check the Amazon attribution, that is the general tool that will help you to create like the UTM links, right? So that will be a macro links, for example, for your store, a macro links for your products that you would like to promote out of the Amazon. So this is a tool that will help you to measure and to understand the impact from the external traffic activities. The main idea what you should do, you should just measure and to build this idea in a case of what specific channel you would like to use. That could be a Google, please create a specific link for the Google for a specific product. The same for the store. If that is the Instagram, that should be another link for the Instagram. Inside the Amazon attribution, you will see that you have more than 100 different platforms that you could use. You will have an additional thing to set up that correctly for measuring your success. Yeah, so here is some kind of complicated thing as we have inside the sponsored products or a PPC campaigns inside the Amazon. Yeah, because we have the sponsored products, sponsored display, sponsored brands, and we have spoke a lot about the structure. Here is the same, but the same will be your final destination. Now we will speak about these final URLs. So these final URLs will help you to understand and to catch some insights about your activities. You will see that you will have a chance to build it around the store, you will have a chance to build it around the products, and when you will copy them and add into specific campaigns or in specific platforms as your website, your blog, magazines, or anything else, Amazon will have a chance to catch that as a positive activities inside your account. What does it mean? We have the two main indicators, right, inside the brand analytics. That is the click share and conversion share. Right now, we will spend a lot of time on the conversion share exactly. We will speak and work exactly on that. How to work with that, how to push that, how to get more and more sales externally. And when you will have a chance to do that, you will see that you start growing and skyrocketing your brand in a case of general Amazon attribution window. So for you, that is the point how you could grow and scale your businesses correctly inside of the Amazon with the help of such tools as the Amazon attribution. So the two main things that you should understand, like by the end of this video, is that Amazon attribution, that is the tool for getting some feedbacks from the Amazon in a case of like the additional fee and discounts, like according to the program that they have. And the second one is to getting the macro links for measuring all your activities. Hey, are you here? Because now I would like to tell you the real truth about the Amazon Insights. Profitwells is the Amazon trusted partner, and we have a lot of closed betas right now working on. We would be glad to share all this experience if you have reached more than 1 million per year in your ad sales. So if you are ready to grow and scale your business, contact us and we will be glad to help you. Contacts below the video.